My name is Sultan Mahmood. We are in water purification and air purification. And we manufacture here and export to 62 countries around the world.
Oh, that's great. So talking about today's event, it is a golf event. So, how was your experience?
The experience was very good. It was basically a networking event. It was overbooked. It was too much overbooked, I think there were 30% extra flights.
Oh.
And that's the reason we hardly finished at sunset. Hardly finished.
Yeah, because we came and we saw. So now, let's talk about the business. Like, golf is always connected with business. People say if you're in golf, you grow more in the business. So how it's help in growing the business?
I don't think this is a myth.
Okay.
I'm telling you, this is a myth. First of all, I'm playing golf for the last about 30, 40 years.
Oh, you have great experience.
Yeah. Most of the time I'm winning tournaments. So today I'm not winning, so everybody's asking me, how was your game? How was your game? So
you didn't participate, sir, today?
Yeah, I participated, but my team was weak. So it was a team event. It was not an individual event. Therefore, we could not come up to the mark because everybody in the team was weak. They were hitting balls right and left.
It's okay, so sometimes it happens.
Yeah.
But because everyone says, because always business is connected. Because see, golf is not a very simple game. It's always called as a high standard or very classy game.
Yeah.
So when we speak about golf, people love to connect because you are not meeting one people, you're meeting different kind of people. So it's like social networking. So does it help in business also?
Yeah, networking, yes, it helps. But if you say that your major plan of marketing depends on this, no. If you are like we are in business and we export to so many countries, so we cannot rely only on this event. This is one of those activities which we do. We are a sponsor over here. We participated as a sponsor.
Oh, that's
so hole number 1 was given to us, and we made a very nice impression, and everybody was happy with the.
Yeah, the event was really good.
The event was really good for networking from them, from my staff was very good.
Yeah, thank you. No, not taking much of your time, so let's get into it. So today's event was very good. You enjoyed and all. So, like, if I just want to ask, like, you have played for so long years. So it's simple. People say golf is an easy game. It's a hard game. So you tell me what is golf for you? Is it easy, hard, and how it is?
Any game is easy and any game is hard. When you know how to play it, it is easy. Any game, football, cricket, anything, once you learn it, it becomes easy.
So do we actually need to run the tactics of golf?
Yeah, no. You have to learn. There are different aspects. First is the beginning, You start how to hit the ball. Once you develop that, then you need to have strategies, how to approach that hole. How to, go right, go left, avoid this bunker, this. There's so many things to be there. And when you're on the green, which side of the green should you drop the ball?
Yeah, because
it's a strategy. You must understand.
So you mean you have to be very patient and you have to be very calculated?
You have to be very, very concentrated. I personally feel golf is 80% mind and 20% skill.
That's because I think most of the people have said the same thing. Golf is all in the mind. You have to be very calm, very composed, and
very calm, very composed. The moment something comes into your mind, your shot will not go straight.
It will miss out.
You will go right or left.